Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use sketch tools of Ansys Spaceclaim R19.2 to sketch different kind of geometries. We are in Ansys Spaceclaim R19.2 and this is the sketch tab, and there are different shapes that you can sketch on the sketch plane, and I'm going to start the video. And first of all, I will click this plan view so that I can get the plan view and draw perpendicular to my eyes. Okay, so first of all, we will draw line. We will draw line. We will draw line, and with the help of line tool, I have created a rectangle, and I can change the dimensions as 40 mm, and also we can use tab tool to change any dimension. I am keeping it as it is for now. Now we will go to model, sketch a rectangle. This is a rectangle tool, and I will create a rectangle here, and this way, so that we can create a symmetry here. We will use two times a tool. I think this is a mistake, so I will cut it, and I will once again complete this. Now it has been corrected, and we will now go to circle, 7 mm, 7 mm. I can change the diameter as well. Now we will go to tangent arc. I will click a straight line to create a tangent arc. Yes. Now I will create a spline. I can click many points to create a spline structure. Similarly, I can click here. I have created a spline structure, and now this is a create rounded corner option, and I will use it for this. I can give a radius of 6 mm, and here as well 6 mm, and now create corner using two lines, first line and second line, first line and second line. I have created corners with two lines. Now this is a bend tool for creating arc in straight lines. So we will now go to tangent line. Tangent line. Tangent line has been drawn here. Uh, Tangent line has been. I will use Control Z for deleting the previous mistake. Tangent line. I will use tangent line in any other geometry, such as this is a tangent line, and this is a tangent line, and this is a tangent line. Okay. So I have created tangent line, and this is 3-point rectangle, and I will click the first point, second point, and the third point. Similarly here, first point, and second point, and third point. You can use escape as well for escaping out of the sketch tool. Now I will use 3-point circle. 3-point circle. I will create here 1, 2, and 3. Similarly, 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. This is a 3-point arc. 3-point arc. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is a point tool we can use to create points such as here and here and here to showcase the centers of the circle. And this is an offset curve tool, so I can use it to create the offset of my previous curve. Okay, this is the trim tool to trim away any unwanted shape such as this and this and this. And this is scale tool to scale up any geometry. I will try on it, and I will scale this, and I will scale this. It's not looking good, so I am undoing it. I will use scale tools in this geometry. Yes, and yes, it's looking fine. Scale tool is used to scale up your geometry low or high, or smaller or larger. And this is a reference or construction line tool. You can use it for reference. So we have created reference lines, and this is ellipse, and we will use it for preparing ellipse. We will give the minor axis first, and then we will select the major axis. Similarly here, we will select the minor axis first, and then the major axis of the ellipse. And now we will learn about polygon. We can use it to create polygon. This is a hexagonal polygon. You can change its length and sides as well. And you can change the length and size as well. You can use tab tool, such as I am using 8 sides now, and I have created an octagonal. Similarly here, I will create an octagonal here, and now this is sweep arc, and we will use it to create a sweep arc, such as here. You can use, this is a sweep arc, and now this is project to face curve. It is used to create curves on a face, and I will use it such as I'm using here. And once again here, project to face curve. This is face curve tool, and we will now use project to sketch tool, and for showing this I will use detail tab, and I will use dimension, and I will use dimension of this tool. I will reduce the size. Yes, it's okay. And now I will use project to sketch tool to show you project to sketch, and I will now click here isometric view, and I will select the sketch plane, and I will use the projecting object, And if we uncheck the annotation plane, you can see that the project to sketch has been done. Project to sketch has been done. Okay, so in this way we will use project to sketch. This is split curve tool. This is split curve tool. It will be used for splitting any curve. And this is the curve, and I will select the splitting point, and you can see that the curve has been split into two parts. Once again, this is a curve and this is the splitting point. You can see that this curve has been split into two parts. This is the curve and I am using this point for splitting, and you can see, sorry, it has not been done. And this is a curve and I am using a split point here, and you can see that the curve has been splitted. This is a curve and this is the splitting point. Curve has been split into two parts, and this is equation tool. We will not use it right now. Further, I will provide the dimensions of each and every um, dimension or sketch. I will go to detail tab and I will use dimensions, and I will just click dimensions, sides, radius, and length. So friend, in this way we have created a sketch here, and we have used all these tools in the sketch tab, and also detailed the dimensions with the detailing tab. If this video was helpful, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel for getting more this kind of videos. Till then, we will meet you in the next video, and you take care. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this and share this video. Thank you so much.